In today's vlog, guys, we are on our travels again. We are at Beeston train station and we've got to get 3 trains to get to Belper in the Amber Valley. Stopping at, where is it? East Midlands Parkway, Derby, then eventually Belper. So come on, East Midlands Rail, sort it out. So delayed by 9 minutes already. Looks like we're going nowhere fast at the moment. That means we'll also miss our connecting train from Parkway into Derby. So we best start exploring our options, haven't we? Useless East Midlands trains. So yeah, we're at East Midlands Parkway, missed our connecting train which would take us into Derby, which now means we'll have missed our other connecting train which would take us into Belper. And we're stranded here for about an hour. Absolutely shocking. See, East Midlands Railway, this is why you need to restore the Nottingham to Matlock train full time, not just Sundays. Come on, sort it out. That train from Parkway was an absolute nightmare. Packed in like sardines, couldn't get my camera out, would have been in everyone's faces. But now we're in Derby, we've got a 15-minute wait for the final leg. And it probably wasn't my best idea to be walking around here in a forest shirt either. But oh well, let's just keep me nut down and get to Belper. Finally on the train. It's only about 10 minutes, so we'll see you on the other side. Finally made it. What should be an hour and 10-minute journey has turned into a 2-hour 10-minute journey. Absolute farce. Sort it out, East Midlands trains. Bloody hell. Nightmare. Anyway, don't forget that you can like and subscribe down there for free. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I'm going for a pint. Bye bye.